Welcome back. This evening we're in Hythe Ranges. It's about 8:15 now, low water's at 11:15. We're going to fish 3 of the down, another 2 of the up. We've got 3 rods out there. The target on one of the rods is rays, and the other one we're just fishing with black lug. Main target is flatfish, hopefully sole, and bass if he's only around. Let's get the rods out and see how we get on. First rig tonight, treble hook rig, 10-inch snoods, size 1 hooks, fished to a 130 gram lead with a mixture of whole black lug, half black lug and pieces of frozen black lug. The second rig tonight is another treble, 6-inch wire booms, 4-inch snoods, size 2 hooks, another 130 gram lead and similar baits to the first rig. And the third rig tonight is a pulley dropper, 3-foot snood, 40-pound mainline, size 4.0 and size 2.0 pennel onto a Gemini splashdown with 150 gram weight, fishing with half sections of bluey. Let's get them out, let's see what we can get. Small whiting. Start of June. Looks like the whiting are in. Not what we wanted. Species number 2. Still not what we're after, but they put a better bend in the rod than the whiting do. Let's get it unhooked, get it back in. Dogfish for Vic. Got an hour and a half till low water now. It's just starting to get pretty dark. We had 2 white on the first few casts, then getting hit pretty hard by dogfish the last hour. So hopefully things will change. Let's see how we get on. We'll let you know. That's pretty much how it's going still. Whiting and dogfish. About another half hour till low. Let's see if things switch up then. Here we go. Nearly low water. One of the targets achieved. Male thornback. Probably about £5. Taken on a piece of bluey. Let's get it unhooked and get it back in. I'm going to try dropping it even closer in, see if we can avoid these. Seem quite thick on the ground now. Dogfish going absolutely mad. Getting treble shots from 15-20 yards out. There's no way to avoid them tonight. Just have to keep trying to fish through. See if we can still get that sole bass. Species number 4, an eel. Let's get that back in and go again. Well, species number 5 and another one of the targets. We're happy with that. Let's get it back out there and have another go. See if we can get that sole. Down to 1 rod now. Probably have this cast and maybe one more. The whiteland dogfish are a pain tonight in plague numbers really. Managing eel. Had the ray and the bass, so that's 2 of the targets achieved. Didn't get the sole, but you never know. We got this cast in the one after. But if nothing happens, we decide where to go next, and we'll see you then. Till then, see you later.